guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a very long hot minute, but I'm here, I'm back. So today's video is going to be my Ipsy unbagging, and this video is going to be something different, as in this will be my last video doing Ipsy unbagging. I thought I would take a break from Ipsy and start something new. I have just subscribed to BoxyCharm, and I just wanted to see, like, maybe it's different, maybe it'll be better or whatnot. Not that I'm complaining about Ipsy. I've been with Ipsy going on 3 years. That being said, I liked a lot of the products, and it helped me a lot along the way decide like what other brands out there, and it was my very first subscription to something makeup related. And yeah, I like the products that I get and stuff like that. I just thought, like, for the past 2-3 months, like, it wasn't something that was like really out there, really like got me really excited or anything like that. And then I started seeing like my friends getting BoxyCharm and YouTube videos and Snapchat people on doing theirs, and I just liked a lot of their stuff that they got in. Of course, it's probably gonna be like every other subscription, where sometimes you'll get stuff that you like and sometimes you'll get stuff you don't. I just thought I would pay the extra $10 and get like full-size products. So this will be my last Ipsy unbagging for this channel and for myself, you know, for a while. So I'll start doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, and yeah, so let's get this video started. I just got this in right now. I had a meeting today and I just got here. It's like about 8:30 at night right now, and I hadn't checked my mailbox because I'm busy doing stuff and meetings, and the kids getting ready to go back to school soon, so we'll do like shopping and stuff like that. So let's get on with this video. So I don't know what's in here, so I always like to look for the little card just to tell me the theme. So it's usually, lately they've been putting it inside the bag, so I saw the bag, I just kind of don't want to look at it. So this is the card that it comes with, and this says dive in, which is like a poll. Looks like this. I here gives you the products, which I do not want to look at because I like to be surprised. Sometimes I'm just a very impatient person and I just want to see what I get. But yeah, so this is the Ipsy for the July month, and it just says dive in. So that's what that looks like. I look so weird without nails. I haven't had nails for a very hot minute, and hopefully I have time tomorrow to get my nails done because girl needs her nails. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. Right off the bat, I really like this coral color, which is really weird because this is the same color that Destiny got her new backpack for school, and I've been seeing it a lot lately. So I've been seeing this color a lot lately, and of course Tiffany blue everywhere. These have like these palm trees, which I like, and I like the color. Right away, I like the way it feels. If you guys don't know, I love makeup bags that feel like this because it's easier to clean like your makeup residue and all that stuff, versus like my old Ipsy bags, like stuff like this. Like this looks okay for like going out, but not really, like, you know, you can get dirty and stuff. I love the feel of like this. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So the first product is a brush. This is by Luxie, and I have to say I love brushes. I love getting brushes, and I like the way this freaking feels. This is a matte black, and it has like the indent, so you can put your finger on there, and then it has, ooh, this just feels nice. This brush, which it's weird because it has like brown and then goes to black, which is really cool. Like a what is that? What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, like an ombre. It's like a brown towards the black. My little pelitos are sticking out right here, only because like it was like all squished in there. But I love the way this feels. So pretty good. Next I'm going to pull out is these 12 benefits. This is a Seals Color Smooths, Repairs, Improves Texture, Manageability, Prevents Split Ends, Moisturizes, Strengthens, Protects from chlorine, wind, and sun, prevents flat iron damage, adds shine and softness, protects from blow dry, and anti-aging formula. Wow, that's a lot of things for this little bottle here. So that's pretty cool. It just says instructions to just mist hair before and do not rinse. So that's pretty cool. So I would definitely like to try this out. I haven't gotten my hair done in a very hot minute. Again, I've been really busy, and my hairstylist has been busy as well. So yeah, so I messaged her so I need my hair done, girl, because I don't really go with blonde. I go with like a white platinum color, and I hadn't had done, and so she's can't see me till the 24th, so I'm kind of sad about it. But lately I've just been putting my hair in a bun. I've been getting in the pool, been getting darker and getting this tan, and my hair needs some moisture, some masks to bring it back to life. So that's pretty cool that I have that, so I like to try it out. And the next thing is it's a nail polish. It's from Cuccio, I guess. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it looks like a purple color because it has purple on the blocks. Now, normally, to be honest, I really don't like getting polishes all that much, just because I do get my nails done a lot, and I do get my nails done. My toes, and normally I would get a pedicure, or sometimes I just don't do my nails, and because I wear a lot of tennis shoes, I'm a tennis shoe type of girl. Right now I've been wearing sandals, but mostly I'm a tennis shoe type of girl. I always wear tennis shoes, I always wear socks, but it's because I've been on the sun, I don't want it to have that sock line. But this, I mean, it's a pretty color. I just don't use polishes all that much, but my girls do, so of course I'll go to them. And then I got some other things that are in here. So I got a bronzer rose. That's what it says on here. So let's see what this is. I'll pull this out. It's a rose and coconut infused blush and bronzer from Pacifica, which Pacifica is actually a drugstore. Let's just tear the box because I need a while to get this thing out. But these are the colors. Like, that's pretty cool. And then it has a mirror in the back, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I can even open that. Ooh. So the bronzer looks really good. I don't think it looks, I don't know if it's too dark for me. I mean, it does look pretty cool. But the blush looks pretty. The only thing with the blush is that I do see that it has like shimmer in it. Don't really like wearing too much shimmer on my bronzers or my blushes, just because I feel like it enhances my skin, and I already have blemishes. But it looks more of like a highlighter than anything. You see that? Like, I don't know. I mean, I would like to, I'm still gonna try. It's vegan free and cruelty free, 100% vegan, cruelty free. So we'll see how that works out. And then, yes, finally, this is the coffee scrub. Oh, I thought it was like a mask. It's fills with, okay, hold on. It helps neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. So, I mean, the only thing I come close to a coffee scrub is like the one from Lush that I've had before. This is Organic Feelings is the brand. It says French vanilla, which is my type of coffee that I drink. I love French vanilla coffee, iced coffee, to be honest. And doesn't even tell me. Okay, how to use this is 1 to 2 scrubs per week. Turn on the shower on, damp your skin. Use about 2 small handfuls to cover your body with circular motions. Massage the scrub on your skin, concentrating on the, oh, okay, so this is like a body scrub, which is pretty cool, which I do need because I've been like breaking out, as you can see, like right, these little small blemishes from the sun. So that's pretty cool, so I would definitely be using that. So that is about it. This bag was okay. Again, this is my last bag. If I have to be honest, I think the only thing I love about it is this brush right here. The bag I really like, and I really like this. I like to try that out. Everything else is it's okay. But yeah, that is about it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I know it's kind of quick, fast, and out of the way, but I just wanted to show my last Ipsy bag, and then we'll start doing boxy charms. So yeah, that is about it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button. What? Okay, hold on. Let's start all over. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.